Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage account statements with PNC Bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. To manage your account statements with PNC Bank, start by logging into your online account. Visit the PNC Bank website and click on the Sign On button. Enter your user ID and password, then click Login. Once you are on your account dashboard, navigate to the Accounts section. Select the account for which you want to view the statement. Look for the Statements link in the Account Details menu. Click on Statements to access your account statements. You will see a list of available statements sorted by date. Select the desired statement to view or download it. If you want to download the statement, click on the download icon next to the statement. Choose your preferred file format, such as PDF or CSV. Once the file is downloaded, you can open it on your device. For further management options, you can set up the statements. To do this, return to the account dashboard and find the Statements option. Follow the prompts to enroll in Statements, which will provide you with electronic versions of your statements. Review the settings to ensure that you receive notifications when new statements are available. Finally, make note of the schedule for your statements, as they are typically generated monthly. By following these steps, you'll effectively manage your account statements with PNC Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.